Hey William, I'd like to record a video for you how to add the .1x into your configurations. So I think from your screenshot you have already two topologies, right? So they already configured with the IP address and everything like that. One thing I want to point out is if you do need to configure a manual MAC address for your switch, the way to do it is on this spreadsheet. You can you can uncheck or resolve gateway, and then there's a menu gateway MAC address column you could change. Now, I don't believe you need to do that because it sounds like your switch can do op. So if the op can be processed, there's really no reason to do manual gateway MAC addresses because the op resolve that and it should be fine. So to do the authentication, we need to stop the protocols. Let me go ahead and stop that. So you click this button. And then once you stop, if you want to add authentication on maybe on topology 1, I don't know which, either topology 1, topology 2, you need to do the authentication. But you want to select Ethernet layer, and then you want to mouse over, and the third thumb tab has called add protocols. So it will bring up the add protocol screen. You want to choose IEEE A021X. So this is where we speak the authentication or radius protocol to your from the PC to your radius server. So let's say OK. So now, once you have added called A021X, you should be able to see the all the configuration details for your authentication. So one thing I want to point out, this is a protocol type. So if you just want to do a password, a username, then MD5 is the one to use. Now you see a list of other protocols we support. Some of them needs certificates, some of them needs a more sophisticated way to authenticate, and most radius servers support these things. But let's stay with simple called MD5. So once MD5 is there, you just want to make sure that you have the correct username and the correct password. So these is configured on your radius servers. So they need to be configured and it should be matched. And then this is the easiest way to do it. And then after that, you just run the protocols and you should be good to go. So that's the only thing you really need. I do not have a radius server on my setup, so this will not work. But once it's authenticated, it shows you exactly what it's going to do. Now, right now it's red because I do not have the radius server. One thing I want to tell you is if you do see problem with authentication, we have something called a statistics that you can actually figure out what's going on here. I'm going to select views, and I select the IEEE A021X. So I'm going to say apply, say OK. So this will display the .1x. So it tells you that right now I have it down, it doesn't work. So tell you that initiate a session for .1x, but I don't have any reply. So this is the MD5 session that we talk about. And of course I did not have that talking. But so whatever this is, it just send ePro messages to your radius server asking for authentication requests. Okay, so but you should be able to see something different on your setup. Hope this helps. I'm going to stop this audio now.